Bonjour traders, welcome back to Simply Forex. Today is Monday the 4th of December. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. I hope you've been opening your advent calendar. As always, guys, we're going to look back at Friday's trades, we're going to look at today's potential trades, and we're going to look at the important news for today as well. Let's get started. So we were looking at Euro Canadian dollar on Friday, and we were looking to short it because we was in an uptrend, and then we was in consolidation, and then we had a break. Once we break these lows here, guys, and we've got a big bearish candle, we like to sell this, yeah? And we've got room to move into as well, guys, all right? So structure change, big bearish candle, breaking all of this support here and room to move into. We like this trade. The problem with this trade, like lots of missed opportunities this week, well, I say missed opportunities, they're not opportunities if I don't get a setup. You know, the trade direction is good, but I don't get a retrace, so I don't have a setup. So they're not really missed opportunities. So, yeah, I just need a retrace, guys. You know, even a little bit of one, but, you know, just up to here would have been fine. Yeah, ideally, you know, back up to here, but we just don't get a retrace before it comes down. All we've been getting, guys, is this. Yeah, it feels like we've been getting that a week, just bang, you know, market goes up, or bang, market comes down. We haven't had any, you know, price action like this that we can get in on. But no problem, guys, you know, but for that reason, Euro Canadian dollar, I just didn't have a trade. And as you can see, it came down and hit target. So, you know, direction good, couldn't really get in on Euro Canadian dollar. The trade that I did get into was pound against the Swiss franc. Okay, I mean, it's a little bit unfortunate how this has played out, but let's take a look at what we were trying to do. So we were looking to buy this pair, guys. And looking at this, you know, these candles right now, still looking to buy this. All right. Why were we looking to buy it? Well, we are in an uptrend. Okay. As soon as we broke these highs here, we're in an uptrend. I was aware that we haven't broken these highs. I am aware of that. But price come down, and then we got these nice bullish wicks. Well, this one, to be precise. Yeah, we got a bullish wick. Not, you know, the candle is red, but that is a bullish wick. That tells me buyers are in there. Yeah, and the idea was just to come back up to here. So that was the idea, guys. Yeah, because we're bouncing off nice support here as well. If we drop down to the H4 now, you know, and everything was looking good about this trade, guys. If we drop down to the H1, because this grey zone through here was the catalyst. Okay, we were just looking for a break, because if you can see this, guys, you know, we see that once we get a break of that level, we now have higher highs on the H1. Okay, and we get the break here. I actually entered on an M15 break, which was a little bit more aggressive, but it was followed through with a H1 break as well. You know, we were making higher highs as well. We broke these highs. Everything was looking good, yeah? I actually entered here. Okay, and then put my stop down here, guys. Okay, or hedge, whatever you use, guys. I say stop loss so everyone knows what the hell I'm talking about. But yeah, stop loss or hedge here. And then as you can see, guys, price come down and just literally took out my hedge, and then it's sort of pushed back up now. Okay, so, you know, we're in a hedge trade as we speak. We'll try and, you know, manage our way out of this next week. If we just look at the H4 as well, you know, when we see this candle, yeah, we're thinking, okay, nice. You know, price is coming up, you know, at least to this 100 level, which was my target. But again, price shot back down, and then we got this candle as well, you know. So, you know, I'm going to try and get out of my hedge on Monday. You know, if we get a bit of movement down here, you know, I'll try and get out of the hedge with a view to taking this higher, because I still, my bias is to buy this pair. So yeah, unsuccessful trade on pound Swiss franc, guys. Yeah, that's how I traded it. So those were the trades from Friday. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed Friday's analysis and you enjoy receiving my trade ideas every single day, then come join the channel. We would love to have you guys. Yeah. Subscribe to the channel right now. Also smash the notification button so you receive an alert every time we post a vid, guys. And if everyone could please smash the like button, it really helps the channel. Thank you for your support. So trades for Monday the 4th of December, guys. Before we get started, let me just mention a few cool things the channel does. So first of all, we've got the free Discord, okay? So we've got traders in there sharing knowledge, ideas, indicators, books, useful links, and it's free. Come join that, guys. We also have the VIP Discord channel, okay? You do have to pay for this, but you get access to me throughout the trading day, as in you can ask me questions. I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen. Also, guys, we give you exclusive content every week. And most importantly, guys, we've got the Trading Academy. Yeah, we've basically got a sea of tutorials in there, you know, sort of explaining how I trade and what I look for, guys. So check that out. And we have a performance coach as well. So that's the VIP Discord. We also have a mentorship program where I coach you one-on-one. If you're interested in that, drop us an email and we'll send you the details. And also, guys, if you watch the live stream every day, the analysis vid every day, and you would like to show your support, well, you can. You can become a Simply Forex YouTube member. We've got supporter and gold membership, and both have loads of perks. All the information for all of these things, guys, are in the video description. So go check it out. Come join us. And don't forget the live stream today, 7 a.m. New York EST time. Get your questions ready. Right, trades for Monday, the 4th of December. Merry Christmas. It feels like Christmas already with my new mouse. Right, anyway. Euro. Okay, so any trader in the world, yeah, will tell you right now that the euro is weak. And my God, it has been. Yeah, it just kept dropping and dropping and dropping on Friday. It broke through support levels, you know, or it went up, depending on the pair. But euro was super weak. But it hasn't manifested itself into any trades. Let's just look at the euro pairs. I mean, you know, can you sell to here? You know, the next piece of support? No. Yeah, no value. Euro Canadian dollar, maybe, you know, but not much, you know, there's not much value here. If we get a retrace into here, I'm all over this, but down here, no value, guys. Euro Swiss franc, no value. Yeah, this is the problem. It's dropped so much. Euro yen hitting a very nice weekly support level, no trade. Euro New Zealand hitting a support level, no trade. Euro pound, got a bit of room to move into, but any value here? No. Okay. And then interestingly, guys, so that's all the euro pairs. So there's not a trade there. There might be in a few days if some of these retrace. But interestingly, you look at euro US dollar and you'll be thinking that's an excellent buying opportunity, rather bizarrely. Yeah, wouldn't you? You know, that is uptrend. Okay, we've retraced to a nice area of support. We've got this support and we've got the moving average 20. You know, that is potentially a beautiful area for buyers. So for those reasons, guys, yeah, we don't have any trades on the euro. And I'm not interested in this trade either, the euro US dollar. I agree, it is in a nice position. But if we look at the weekly chart, guys, you know, that is an extremely bearish weekly candle. And that's why we saw all that euro weakness. So, yeah, I just thought that would be interesting to share with you guys. And these are the things I look for in the market. So, yeah, but no trade with those euro pairs for me. There's no value in them. But I do have some trades, guys. Yeah, and the next trades are based on Swiss franc weakness. Okay, so euro and Swiss franc most of the time are highly correlated. But the Swiss franc is a flight to safety. So if you start seeing the indices, you know, come flying down, then the Swiss franc will get some strength. So you do need to be aware of this when we trade Swiss franc pairs. But euro and Swiss franc are normally weak together, strong together. Okay. But recently we've seen a change in that, you know, that correlation hasn't held. So bearing that in mind, our first trade idea for today is Aussie dollar against the Swiss franc. Okay, so let's start with the day chart. And as you can see, guys, it's just retraced to a very nice area. So if we go to the day chart, we're in an uptrend. Okay, and we're still in an uptrend because this is the last lows and it never breaks. Okay, if you know, it holds. And in fact, we get this double candlestick combination. We get a doji followed by a bullish candle. That would suggest we can take price back up to these highs. My target would actually be this. All right, so that's the idea, guys, on the day chart. Structurally, it's good. Support's good. Candlesticks are good. So we like this trade. Also, if we drop down to the H4, we like this trade. Look at the H4. It's literally just broken these highs. You know, we were firmly in a downtrend, but now we find ourselves in an uptrend. Okay, and this H4 candle literally just broke these highs. We're above the moving average 20. You know, we're looking to take price back up to here. So we like H4 on Aussie dollar Swiss franc as well. And yeah, let's drop down to the H1 for our entries, because you can see where price has reacted. So, you know, price may come back down into this grey zone where price has reacted here, 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 here. So we've had lots of reaction in here, and we get a bullish reaction. We can start buying this pair back up to those highs. Alternatively, guys, it might not retrace. And if we just sort of get a bullish candle that shoots out, breaks these highs, then we could also start buying here. This is a breakout trade, and these are harder to trade than a retrace, but we could. Yeah, we get a breakout, put our stop down here somewhere, and look to take price up to here. All right, guys, so Aussie dollar Swiss franc, that is my first trade idea for today. My second trade idea is pound Swiss franc, and we were buying this on Friday, yeah, and we actually got hedged or stopped out if you use a stop loss. If we look at the day chart, not much has changed really, guys. Yeah, we are in an uptrend. Okay, we was in this kind of range, but then it broke these highs here. Hasn't broke these highs here, but it has broke these highs. We're getting higher highs. Price has retraced to nice support. Yeah. And at this nice support, we've had some not super bullish candles, but I just like the wicks. The wicks tell me buyers are at this level. And every time it comes down, they're pushing it back up. Comes down, pushing it back up. So, yeah, I like it for that reason. And the idea is still to come back up to here. Okay, if we drop down to the H4, let's take a look at the H1, guys. So we've got a couple of options here, guys. So you could trade it aggressively. So because we are in a H1 downtrend all of a sudden, okay, yeah, we're in potentially a H1 downtrend. Okay, so price could come back down into this grey zone. We get a nice bullish reaction. And then we could start buying pound Swiss franc. Okay, that's the more aggressive trade. The less aggressive trade would be for wait for H1 structure to break this mini grey zone through here. We get a break, we get a retest, and then we can start buying pound Swiss franc as well. All right, so they're the two options I'm looking at for pound Swiss franc to buy. And there's one more trade idea for today. But not sure if this has enough, not sure if this will retrace, but let's take a look at it anyway. And before I give you my last trade idea for today, guys, if I could ask everyone to please subscribe to the channel right now, we would love to have you. And if everyone could please smash the like button as well. Also, don't forget, we got the free Discord, we've got the VIP Discord, we've got the mentorship program, and we've got the Simply Forex YouTube membership as well, guys. Check it all out. It's all in the video description. Right, last trade for today is this, Pound New Zealand. Sorry, my big head is in the way. But let me just show you, look, we're aiming for this area of support, okay? And as you can see, guys, if we zoom in now, you know, this candle has broken these last daily lows in here, all right? And we do have, you know, because this is Pound New Zealand, that's still 50 pips from here to here. So there's room to move into, but I would still like a bit of a retrace. And if we go back to the H4, guys, you know, and looking at this candle, it may not, you know, but, you know, we'll find it down here in no time. If we do get a retrace into here, yeah, and we get a bearish reaction, then I'm interested in Pound New Zealand as well. So just thought I'd show you that, but it's unlikely. This will probably just come down and do that. All right, guys, so those are the trade ideas for today. Let's take a look at the news now. So news for Monday, the 4th of December. Merry Christmas. So, guys, yeah, not much in the way of news. The only piece of news we're interested in is this, guys, yeah, at 7:30 London GMT, coming out of the Swiss franc. And interestingly, we're looking at Swiss franc pairs. So this could be a real catalyst for our trade. We've got the CPI coming out month on month. So, you know, we know how important inflation is, guys. So that is a big piece of news for the Swiss franc. After that, guys, we also have the head of the ECB speaking, Lagarde. So when she speaks, she can really move any euro pairs. And at 11:30, if you're still awake and not in bed snoring and dribbling like I do, then you have CPI as well coming out of Tokyo, guys. All right. So, yeah, a light news day. Yeah, we are free to trade. And guys, I hope you've enjoyed the vid. If you have, please subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to join me for the live stream today, 7 a.m. New York EST time. See you for that later, guys. Have a great trading day.